Hi, so this is our PDPR part 3, which is still creating SVO sentences. So today, this is our third day for SVO and this is our last day to do revision for SVO because next week we will learn something else, okay? So make sure today you focus on the lesson and you master the SVO sentences. If you encounter any problem, you can text me or ask your friends, okay? Or rewatching the previous video. Okay, so for today's lesson, we are going to do 3 activities, which is first the notes, okay, nota. Okay, for the notes, okay, you can copy it in your exercise book. And for the revision question, okay, you only have to listen, okay, kena buat revision, ulang kaji, kita buat ulang kaji sedikit, okay, tidak perlu tulis yang bahagian yang itu, but for the third one, answering question, yes, that one you have to do in your exercise book for today. So, this is the notes that I prepared for you. Okay, it's like a revision, okay? Okay, so the notes here, I have divided it into 3. Okay, it consists of subject, verb, and object. Okay, as you can see here, I make a different table for singular and plural. Okay, the upper side is the singular, means, okay, subject dia tu satu. Okay, bila satu dia singular. But if more than one, okay, if more than the subject is more than one, it is called as plural. Why I differentiate between these two? Because the verb is a bit different, only a bit different. Okay, like here, Maria, she, okay, dia perempuan, he, I mean the cat, the mother. Okay, everything here is singular, and the verb here I put had. Had is for the past tense. Okay, okay. She eats. Okay, is cooking, is flying, is catching, and true. Bila ada ing belakang dia, bila di belakang tu ada ing, depan dia mesti ada is lah. Sebab dia kat sini singular. Ataupun kamu mau guna past tense pun boleh. Was cooking, was playing, was catching. Okay, but if you see, okay, for number 2, the it's, okay, I put s at the end because it is singular ya. Bila singular, kena tambah s, okay. And if you use past tense, perkara yang sudah berlaku, for example, the one here, had, okay. Had dekat sini, dia sepatutnya has, tapi bila dia past tense, had, okay, tidak perlu tambah ing, tidak perlu tambah s. Okay, sama juga dengan yang di bawah tu. True. It's supposed to be throws, okay, throws tambah s, tapi dekat sini, I put true, okay, because it is in past tense. Okay, so the object here, okay, Maria had breakfast. She eats an apple. He is cooking a pie. Amin is playing the ball. The cat is catching the mouse. The mother threw the rubbish yesterday. And the most important thing for SVO, make sure at every end of your sentence, it has a full stop, like here. Okay, full stop. Okay, nokta. And then here, below here, we have the plural notes. Okay, there, Amin and Marina, we, the robbers. Okay, everything here is plural. Orang-orang dia lebih daripada satu. They maksudnya mereka, Amin dan Marina dua. We, kita, the robbers. I put S at the end. So, it means rompak tu lebih daripada satu. And here, the verb, bila subject dia plural, verb dia pun kena plural. Okay, so you have to use are drawing, are cycling, were drawing, were cycling. Okay, so you have to add lah dekat depan tu. And then bila guna plural juga, okay, you don't have to add s. You don't have to put like catches. Okay, no. Cannot, ya. So, don't have to add s. And dia sama, singular dengan plural ni, kalau past tense dia sama. Okay, you don't have to add anything. Just change the word into past tense verb. Like true, okay, and took. Supposedly, it take, tapi bila past tense dia jadi took. Okay, so this is the object. They are drawing some pictures. Amin and Marina are cycling to the park. We catch the firefly together. Firefly, ya. Okay, kalau tidak tahu nanti cari dalam kamus. Okay, the robbers took my jewelries. Okay, so this is the example. Okay, the notes here, you have to write it in your exercise book. Okay, kena tulis dalam buku so that you will remember. So, we move on to our next lesson, which is the revision question. Okay, before that, remember that what I told you just now, singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb, except for the past tense verb. Okay, this one you have to remember. Very important. Okay, this one is the example of a revision question. You don't have to write this, okay? Okay, I'm going to explain it to you, give it the answer to you. Okay, identify the subject, verb, and object. So, very easy. Number 1, I sent Jack some money. Senang kan? I, of course, subject. Send, verb. The object is some money. Everything yang dekat belakang ni adalah objek dia. Okay? Number 2, she, subject, is eating, sedang makan. So, confirm lah verb. An apple is the object. Number 3, Alan, subject, is riding is a verb. A horse is the object. Very easy, right? Next. Here, look at the picture. Make a sentence using appropriate verb and object given below. Okay, so dia suruh kita tengok gambar and then make ayat yang sesuai dia cakap. And then here they gave you the verbs doing, eat, study, riding, sew, made, read. And the object here we have the camel, a cake, homework, a newspaper, karate, a bald man, hot dogs, and geography. Okay, so number 1, my mother. My mother. Okay, you choose here. You take anything here. My mother. Okay, past tense. Ambil dekat situ met. My mother met pun boleh. Eat pun boleh. Tapi kalau guna eat, kena tambah s. Sebab dekat sini my mother dia adalah singular. For example, I take the word eat. My mother is eating. Sorry, tak boleh is. So, yesterday. My mother made lah. Sebab pada yesterday. Past tense pula ni. Okay. My mother made a cake yesterday. So, number 1, the answer is my mother made a cake yesterday. My mother is the subject. Made, membuat adalah verb. Objek dia, a cake. Okay. Number 2. Sarah likes to... Sarah likes to eat. You can see the picture. Sarah likes to eat hot dogs every day. Sarah likes to eat hot dogs every day. This one, kenapa jawapan dia eat tidak perlu tambah s walaupun Sarah ni singular? Because, okay, kamu tengok sebelum kotak tu ada perkataan to. Selepas tu mesti kata dasar. Okay, kita sudah selalu belajar dalam kelas. After to It should be the root word, kata dasar. So Sarah likes to eat hot dog every day. Okay, next. My sister likes doing. My sister likes doing karate. That is the answer for number 3. Okay. Number 4. I'm scared of riding a camel. I'm scared of riding. Okay. Riding tu menaiki, menunggang. Okay, a camel, unta. Okay, so I'm scared of riding a camel. And last but not least, Alicia doesn't like to read geography ataupun to study homework. Bolehlah tu. Okay, so you can choose lah yang mana make a logical sentence for you. Okay, mana ayat-ayat yang boleh diterima dan logik boleh dikira sebagai jawapan. So this is the only the revision question. You don't have to salin revision question ya. Yang kamu kena salin tadi nota dan yang selepas ini. Okay, so this is the homework for you. First, okay, you have to draw the table. Okay, Miss akan tunjukkan lagi table lepas ni. Table tu kamu kena lukis. And then, second, look at the sentences and categorize them correctly whether the words belongs to subject, verb or object. Okay, so pertama sekali kamu kena lukis table. Okay, table tu nanti Miss tunjuk. And then sentence tu, okay, Miss akan tunjuk juga. Lepas tu kamu kena categorize. Kena pisahkan dia. Ayat nombor 1 tu yang mana subjek, mana satu verb, mana satu objek. Kena pisahkan dia, okay? Which words they belongs to. Okay, this is the table. You have to write the numbers, the connectors. Connectors means penyambung ya, penyambung. Dia bukan subjek tapi dia penyambung. For example, one day ka, okay, suddenly ka, okay, something like that, okay. That is what we call as connectors, okay. The subject, verb, and object. Here, I only put until number 7, but you have to write it, make it till number 10, okay. So, this one, kamu kena buat dalam buku latihan kamu. Okay, kotak ni sampai dari nombor 1 sampai nombor 10. Buat yang ni dulu ya. Okay, so this is the question. Okay. Okay, ini adalah ayat-ayat yang kamu perlu masukkan dalam kotak yang Miss bagi tadi. Okay, for example, number 1, Rio drank some water. Rio ni tulis dekat subject. Drank tulis dekat verb. Some water, you wrote it in the object. And number 2, okay, for example, number 2, tomorrow here is the connector. Okay, tomorrow, okay, tomorrow, okay, esok is a connector. So you put it in the connector table. Okay, Rintaro here is the subject. Will, buy, here you put it in the verb. A shirt, you put it in the object table. Okay, do you understand? So I already gave you 1 and 2 as the example. You have to complete everything, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's all. So you have 2 works for today. The first one, you have to write the notes. Okay, nota tadi tu. Nota, ya, nota satu muka surat tu. And this one. Okay, you have to categorize the table. Okay, so there are only two words for today. Okay, that's the end for our class today. Thank you, class. Do complete your homework this week and send it through WhatsApp personally, okay? Okay, next week we will learn new type of sentences. So, you have to master, really master the SVO sentences before we move on to our next type of sentences. If you have any problem, ada masalah, tidak faham, do consult me, okay? PM Miss, okay? Tanya Miss, Miss betulkah macam ni? Okay, I will tell you, I will give you the correction, okay? So, see you soon for our online class. Bye!